Good morning, students of class 4. Today I am going to explain the third lesson, Henry. It is the first part of the third lesson, Henry. First, let me introduce the writer of this lesson. That is Ruskin Bond. Was born in Kasoli in Himachal Pradesh, India. He has written many poems and stories for children. Here is what he said in a recent interview. I am shy, but it is easy to interact with children. Just the other day, a boy said he wanted to become a writer but couldn't manage to fill even a single page. I said, write one sentence, later another, go on adding. You will find the page full. See here the writer, he lives in Kasoli, Himachal Pradesh, India. He usually he writes poems and stories for children. He is a nature lover. Okay. In a recent interview, he said that it is easy to mingle with the children because he is shy. Then another day, one boy said, I also like to become a writer, but I couldn't complete a single page. Then he said, one sentence you write, later add one more. In this way, you can fill full page. So he insists the children to write. He gives how to write so that children can get into writing. Okay, now here this lesson is about Henry. Who is Henry? Henry is a chameleon. Chameleon means a lizard-like creature with large eyes and a long tail that can change its color. We say girgit. Chameleon means girgit. Now, here we are going to see what this chameleon Henry is doing throughout the passage. This is the story of Henry, our pet chameleon. Chameleons are no ordinary reptiles. They are easily distinguished by certain outstanding marks from their nearest relatives, the lizards. See, here we are going to learn about a chameleon named Henry. That was the pet chameleon of the narrator. Chameleons are no ordinary reptile. Reptile means what? It crawls. Crawling animal. Okay, that they are easily distinguished. Distinguished means seen as different from others. Okay, these chameleons are different from others by certain outstanding. Outstanding means very important. Outstanding means very important. Children, when I explain this, you will get all the word meaning below the passage. Okay, number is also given. Marks from their nearest relatives, the lizards. They are not like lizards, but they change their color according to the situation where they are. According to that, they change their color. A chameleon's tongue is as long as its body. Okay, so a chameleon's tongue is as long as its body. So when you see a chameleon, you just remember that its tongue is also big as its body. On its head is a ridge. Ridge means hard and not easy to bend or move. A rigid crest. Crest means skin on top of a bird or animal's head. If you look at this picture, you can see. If you have seen a chameleon, you can see on its head a rigid crest, which looks like a fireman's helmet. Have you seen fireman's house? It is high. So chameleons also have a rigid crest on its head. It looks like a fireman's helmet. Its limbs are long and slender. Slender means thin. Okay. Its limbs are long and slender. And its fingers and toes are more developed than of other reptiles. Not like other reptiles, its fingers and toes are more developed than those of other reptiles. Many people believe that the chameleon is a dangerous and poisonous reptile. As we also think, people believe that chameleons are very dangerous and poisonous reptile. When grandfather was visiting a friend, he came upon a noisy scene at the garden gate. Men were shouting, hurling stones and brandishing sticks. The cause of all this was a chameleon who had been discovered sunning himself on a shrub. The gardener declared that it was a thing capable of poisoning people at a distance of 20 feet. And as a result, the entire household had risen in arms. Now, how they got this chameleon? Or here the story begins. First two paragraphs, it was introduction of the chameleons. Okay, now here the story starts. When the narrator's grandfather was visiting his friend, he came upon a noisy scene at the garden gate. While he was visiting his grandfather's friend, the narrator's grandfather was visiting his friend, he could hear noise, or he came across a noisy scene at the garden gate. Men were shouting and hurling. Hurling means throwing something with a lot of strength. Hurling means they were throwing something with a full energy. They were throwing something. Stones and brandishing sticks. Brandishing means shaking or waving something. See, it happens when we see something, reptiles like a snake or a lizard or something, people shout. They try to shake. If it is on a branch of a tree or something, people shake that branch so that that reptile would fall down. So when his grandfather was coming, he could see that noisy scene. Then he saw people were hurling. Hurling means throwing something with full energy. Also, brandishing means they are trying to move with a stick. The cause of all this was a chameleon who had been discovered sunning himself on a shelf. What was the cause? Why people were shouting there? It was only a small thing. Means a chameleon was sunning on a shrub. A chameleon was on a shrub. Seeing the chameleon only, people were shouting, making noise, shaking that shrub and pushing all this. The noisy scene was behind this chameleon only. The gardener declared that it was a thing capable of poisoning people at a distance of 20 feet. So why they were making noise? The gardener, he said, this is the reptile. It can poison a person at a distance of 20 feet. The gardener said that this reptile, it can sting. It can sting or it can bite a person, one who is 20 feet away from us. Hearing this only, the people all started shouting. As a result, the entire household had risen in arms. Because of the gardener, what he said, That's why people were gathered there. They were hurling, also brandishing sticks. All this because of this chameleon. Grandfather was in time to save the chameleon from certain death and brought the little reptile home. The chameleon was Henry, and that was how he came to live with us. The people who gathered there, they were about to kill that chameleon. By the time narrator's grandfather reached there, he saved the chameleon and he brought the chameleon to his family and they named him Henry. And this is the way Henry came to their house to live with them. Okay, today I am only explaining these 4 paragraphs. Before I wind up, I would say means how Henry came to narrator's house, how Henry became their pet. So, while grandfather was visiting his friend, he could see or he came upon a noisy scene. The noise was behind a chameleon, and the gardener said that it can bite or it can sting people who are 20 feet away from him. Hearing this, the household they rose and came to kill the chameleon. By the time the grandfather reached there and saved the chameleon and he brought it to his house and the chameleon began to stay with them. So my dear students, 9 word meanings I have explained. So you can go through this word meaning and read the lesson. Word meanings are given here 1 to 9. Risen in arms. They are angry and protesting about something. Till here, please go through the word meaning also. Read the lesson too. Thank you and have a nice day.